So, hello guys, welcome back to another, well, I shouldn't say another, well, this is gonna be my first series of, oh, hello, Lion This is gonna be the first series of grinding and I can't think. Grinding in Bee Swarm Simulator. So yes, I didn't get to tell y'all, but I grinded Pine Tree Forest so much. Look at this. Wait, no, that's pumpkin. But look at this. I only did this because I was only a few away, so I was like, meh. So I am hoping for a pine tree upgrade. Hoping for a pine tree. Please give me a pine tree. Pine tree. Yes! Okay, let's go to the top of the mountain to see if we get another pine tree to match it with that. So let's go. Pine tree! Ah, dandy. So let's get this ready. Okay, I'm gonna need this. Oh. So I won't use my glue and I won't use my enzymes. I'll use my glitter though and my blue extract. So first I gotta just dodge these guys because I don't want them messing up. Oh, I gotta deal with the werewolf too. Oh man, I gotta deal with the werewolf too. Okay. So get me out of that. Ooh. Okay, so guys, don't start grinding yet. Okay, let's go. Guys, you know what? I'm going a little bit slow. How much oil do I have? 7. Yes. Let's just speed this up. Oh yeah, and I forgot. Just plop that down. As normal. So I was talking to my friends on Discord earlier. And we were playing Arsenal. As always. Whoa, my bag is already full. Do I have any instant converters? Oh no. If my bag fills up this fast, then I'm just gonna have to grind in. Oh, Lion Bee, I'm coming with you. Oh. No, I'm pretty sure that if you do it in your hive, you get more honey. Yeah, but I was saying, I was talking to my friends on Discord and we were playing Arsenal, and we ran into a hacker, so we went onto his private server, and he basically he titled he made a video, so he basically titled 1v1ing the best. Wait, I forgot what it was called. It was the best mobile player or the master mobile player. Yeah, I think it's master mobile player. Wait, how did I get 2 times the amount? Is it because of the glitter? I think it was. So yeah, I think the sprinkler should be like right here, because I'm not too far away. And that's a little bit too far to the edge, so I won't go there. Like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot, or you guys just want me to be quiet. Like, this dude talks too much. Let me just see the gameplay. If you're that kind of person, leave my channel right now. And if you're like, gladly, then you just unsubscribe. But I have one thing to say to you. If you were subscribed and you didn't like whenever I was talking, I would say like, why were you even subscribed to me then? Trying to get this pine tree thing so I can get into the ice club. There is a star jelly in there, which I will keep on trying to get no matter what. So let's keep on grinding. See, look. Oh man, I really wanted that. So yes, my bag keeps on getting full. Like for real. I'm gonna just spend my ticket. Get up here and boom, they go here. Then back to grinding. Oh, I just activated the Tadpole Bee thing. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. I like the ability though. But if you give them a gift, they'll get a new ability called Baby Love, which is, it gives you better attack, I think, and you can also get it from the Baby Bee, which is also a legendary, which I am trying, very hard trying to get a legendary again. Like, honestly, I may put a royal jelly on my diamond bee because I'm getting too many diamond bees. Like, I would want a diamond egg, but I didn't want it to be a diamond bee, honestly. Okay, my bag is already full. Oh man, no, no. Well, let's go back. And I think we need to level somebody up. Got one royal jelly. Let's level this. Oh man, how much more do you have to level up? Why are you taking so long? So I forgot, you can give somebody, like, so let's give it to the Tadpole Bee. So it says certain items may cause mutations. So let's see, 50? 50? Wait, what in the world was that? Was that a star egg? If that was a star egg item, I will literally go mad. So he likes blueberries, so let's see. He said certain items may cause mutations. But he said certain items. Sorry if you don't like this. I want this bee to get mutated. Yikes. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like, yoink. My charger is now in. So yes, Oh, I just, wow. So let's see. No, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna put my, so this, yes. Wow, wow, wow. Who has good, like, grinding? Whoever gives me bombs, like the demo be like, yes. Wow, 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 wow. If it pops up and gives me a mutation, I will literally be so happy. Wait, no, who likes strawberries? Cause I have like a million strawberries. Do you like strawberries? I know you hate strawberries. Please! And those are my neon berries. Do you like sunflower seeds? Yes, you love sunflower seed. Please, I just want to mutate you guys. Yoink. Yeah, never. Who should I actually put it on? This is only one royal jelly, so this could go bad. Let's do it for the Commander Bee. Commander Bee, yes. Ooh, I may want to get another royal jelly. How many? 5. No, while I was talking, all my things are about to run out. So let's do the ant challenge, guys. I got more bees, got more power. Trying to get the gold. Trying to get the gold. Trying to get the gold. Let's get the gold. Yeah, guys, let's get the gold. Yes, 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 yes. Go, Burner. Burner. You can't hardly even stand. Ah, yeah, you can stand us. You can't. Yeah, you can stand us. You cannot stand us. We have mutated bees. You cannot get us. Ouch, that hurt. Ow, ow, man. Why did you hear me? Why? I thought we were friends, but now I'm tearing your house apart right now because you did not kill me. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, giant bee. Hey, that really hurt. I don't know why, yeah, but I don't know why I am even singing it, but I know the song really good. But I don't know why I am at very short health. Oh no, he's making a line of fire. Here's an ant. Oh, I just juked him. I am sorry that your legs just got broken by a human, not by an ant. No, not an ant. Hey, where are the ors? They should be coming out soon. Hey, what do I hear? I think that's the buzzing sound. I don't know where, but it's really far away. Oh no, I think it's coming closer. Oh no, I hear it really loud. Watch out! Oh no, I'm very fine. I'm just very fine. Oh no, oh no. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I was super scared. Guys, get out of that corner. Oh no, guys, get in the middle. Oh no, guys, don't get in the middle. Oh no, guys, we just died. Oh no, guys, we just died. Okay, I really do hope you enjoyed that song. Yes. Oh my gosh. Please. No. Okay. Let's see how much damage you do. You do 7. Bro, I want to mutate this guy. Bruh. Do you mutate by treats? 50 treats. 38 treats. Oh, 39. Bro, I'm literally giving all my treats for you. I think I'm at 27 Bs, yeah. As much as I had on my main account. Oh no! Well, let's see how far we got. We're at 4 million last time we grinded. Let's see. Da na 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 na. Wrong way. Da na 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 na. 7 million. If you're wondering about why did you say 7 million, you're not even at 7 million. Like, dude, you're not even at 7 million. You're not even at 7 million. Hey, dude, what are you doing? Stop trying to get to 7 million. I just said you're not at 7 million. I can't prove myself wrong. Stop. My friends are watching. Please, please, please stop. 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 See, now I'm at 700. Oh, wait. Oh, if you don't know, it does 2 times pollen, so that's why I'm like, okay, I need. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Hey, where are you? I want your bubbles. Where'd you go? Did you? Stop hiding. Where are you? Stop going to the trees. No. Okay, this is what I'm trying to get. Oh, let's find out in the lottery. Let's see if we have. Ooh! Getting an A. Oh man, 3 royal jellies in there. But I don't care, I got 2 dice. Yeah. So I got 7 million, honey. Not even sure what to do with it. Let's see. How much honey do we need to get this? 25 million. I haven't even been collecting this daily. That is so sad. I completely forgot about that. Why didn't you guys tell me? Huh? Bro, I'm just getting epics left and right. Okay, this happened in the last video. I may get a legendary, but I know I'm not. For a minute, I thought it was legendary. I was about to be like... Okay, guys. That's the end of my video of grinding in... I was about to say Arsenal. Ow! Oh! Ow! Ow! Just hit myself in the face. It hurt. So let's see, what can we buy? So we can buy that at 20 million. So let's keep on grinding in Pine Tree and we might get this. Let's see, can we get a new hive spot? 14 million? Yeah, we should get that in 2 new episodes or 1 more episode. Depending on how much money I have or honey. Okay, I could get these, but I need to get 15 million. But look at this. 20 plus pollen from bees. We may grind for this next video. And we may not stop until we get this. So, yep. Next video might be longer than this. Let's see. Almost 20 minutes, guys. So, next video might be longer. It might be different. It might be Arsenal. It might be Transformers. It might be Angry Birds. It might be PVZ talking. PVZ talking. Maybe PVZ talking. We can start back the series. What do you think about that? Start back the series? We can start back the series. I know that we're not gonna get this. Like we're probably just gonna get that on the 10th episode or something. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna get very happy. Yes, and if you guys are wondering, like, yes, I did open this. Ah, you opened the 9th crate. Ah, no statistics. So, yes. That's the end of the video. Now it's just me walking around. Wait, it's a spider here? Yeah, I need you for... Yeah, it said defeat 2 spiders. Feed 50 sunflower seeds. And jelly bean tokens. 15. Oh. Wait, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. We're not gonna end the video here. Wait, do we have? No. We need to look for some leaves. You know what, guys? We'll complete that quest tomorrow. If I have enough time tomorrow. So, honestly, I'm just gonna just say yoink. I think it said collect 15. I don't think that was 15 at all. Oh, what? Wampus oil from where? Froggy. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love that sound. Is my frog invisible? Oh, no, you're right there. Okay, thank you. Yeah, he keeps on getting trapped in his own bubbles. Why are you trapped in your own bubble? Can you get out? Oh, yes, you can get out. So, how much did I get on that turn? Share 10. Share. What do you mean by share? I know what share means, so do I have to follow this person and share it? I don't want them to waste this. Oh. Yes, there's a bunch of people in here, so share. Guys, go get them. Yes, it actually meant share. Oh, so that gives you the ability. Like, look at this. Look at that. Temple swipe pollen. Oh, I should be starting that with my videos. It's 10 plus blue pollen. Okay, let's see how fast we can grind with this. We are grinding super fast. Yeah, guys. So I figured out that you have to share. So yeah. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video. Oh, and one more announcement before I go. Get Nene!